How to style latex leggings like a luxury fashion expert. Luxury fashion start with one golden rule, which is balance. Since latex already reflects light, pair it with matte fabrics like a knitted sweater, oversized blazer, or structured coat. Luxury isn't about wearing more, it's about wearing less. One statement, structured bag, elegant boots, and minimal jewelry are enough to complete the outfit. Well, here is the secret most people miss. Luxury isn't about expensive clothes. When every piece has a purpose, your outfits speak before you do. My dearest mature beauties, always remember that style is about being remembered. If you like the video and want to see more fashion guide, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more updates. Take care.